Welcome to the session Design of Unrestricted Grammars. I am Ajay Lora. In this session, we will discuss how to design unrestricted grammar for the language AN, BN, CN. Let's start the session. Unrestricted grammar or type 0 grammar or phrase structure grammar can be defined by four tuple N, T, S and P, where N is a finite non-empty set of non-terminal, T is a finite non-empty set of terminals, S is the starting non-terminal and S belongs to N, and P is the set of production rules of the form alpha will give you beta. Alpha and beta belongs to any string over terminal and non-terminal, but with the condition that alpha must contain at least one non-terminal. Now we will design unrestricted grammar or type 0 grammar for AN, BN, CN. Initially we have a production rule. S will give you SABC and it will generate S will give you ABC. Then S can be again replaced by ABC. Using this production rule, we will able to generate equal number of A non-terminals, equal number of B non-terminal, equal number of C non-terminals. Then we will replace it by a left marker LA. Suppose it is replaced by LA, ABC, ABC. Now we have to rearrange the non-terminal. Instead of CA, we will replace it by AC. So it will give us LA, ABC, AB, AC, BC. Then CB can be replaced by BC. So we can able to generate AB, A, B, C, C. Then BA can be replaced by AB. So we can able to generate LA, AA, BB, CC. Now we will replace LA A by small a, that is terminal symbol, and LA. So we will generate A, LA, A, B, B, C, C. While converting the last A into A, we will write down LB. So we will write down AA, LB, BB, CC. LBB will be replaced by BLB. So it will be replaced by AA, BLB, BCC. Then while replacing last B, we will change the non-terminal as LC. So AA, B, B, LC, CC. Then LCC will be replaced by CLC. So it is nothing but AABB, CLCC, which will be further replaced by AABB, CCLC, and in the last LC is replaced by null, and we can able to generate 2A, 2B, 2C. Now suppose we want to generate a string W, 3A, 3B, 3C. So S will give you SABC, then it will be further replaced by ABC, then S will be replaced by ABC again. We will replace CA by AC, AB, AC, BCA, BC. Now we will replace BA by AB. Now we will replace CB by BC. Now we will replace CA by AC. Now we will replace CA by AC again. Now we will replace CB by BC. Then CB will be replaced by BC again. And after a number of iterations, so we had generated S will give you LA, AAA, BBB, CCC. Then it can be replaced by ALA, then it can be replaced by ALA again, then LAA can be replaced by ALB, then we can apply LB will give you LBB will give you BLB, so triple A, B, LB, BB, CCC. Again we apply the same production rule and we will generate another B. Now we will apply LB, B will give you BLC, AAA, BB, B, LC, CCC. Now we will apply this rule to generate the C, LC, CC. Again we apply the same rule and we generate another C. Again we apply the same rule. Then we will replace LC by null and we can able to generate the required string W. Suppose instead of using LA, LB and LC, we will use a single non-terminal LA and we will replace these production rule by LAA will give you ALA, LAB will give you BLA, LAC will give you CLA, and LA can be replaced by null. So if we will start with non-terminal S will give you ABC, it will suppose again give you ABC, and after applying, and let's suppose S is replaced by LA, then LAA can be replaced by ALA, then LAB can be replaced by BLA. It can be further replaced using this particular rule, ABC, LA, ABC, and after 3 more steps we can able to generate ABC, ABC, LA, and then LA can be replaced by null, so it can able to generate ABC, ABC, and that is not part of our language. A power n, B power n, C power n. Every non-terminal LA, LB and LC are having its own importance. So these are the production rules for generating AN, BN, CN. This is the self-assessment question that you have to generate type 0 grammar for the copy language. L is WW, W is any string over A and B. Thanks for watching this session.